Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Wildwood X-lite from Forest River. This is the model 260 RT. It's a unique trailer. It's kind of a toy hauler. It's also a travel trailer. Great utility piece. Let's kind of break it down as we go around this thing. We got a power hitch jack on the front, T6 aluminum front end. Never going to delaminate. Last forever, virtually. If you got a solar panel from Zamp, plug it in. You are off grid camping with this thing. And locking storage compartments with magnetic fasteners, jacks on all four corners, big awning across the front with an LED light rope behind it. They want extra large on the windows so you can soak up that RV view when you're camping outdoors. Outside speakers, there's the model 260 RT. And on the back side, I'm not going to call it a toy hauler because it's not real tall. It's not 13 feet high, but if you have kayaks, or like me, I like electric bikes, or any kind of a hobby, you can take it with you to recreate. Also a patio kit, and we'll look at that once we're inside. You got the outside shower, and of course the corrugated aluminum exterior. Great, it lasts forever. Like I said, it doesn't delaminate. The repairs are inexpensive. It's just a great way to go. Solid step. They're solid as they can be. They're not like a diving board where it's all bouncy when you're on them. Here we are inside. There's the patio kit. So if we put our rear ramp down, we have a railing that goes all around the perimeter of this, so you can enjoy your campsite view. You can be elevated off the ground. You're not in the mud, that sort of thing, or whatever the situation, dirt, you name it. Sofa beds fold up on the sides for easy storage. Plus it gives you all this free space in here for toys. There's tie downs in the floor. There's a movable table. If you think about it, cooking, big dual basin sink, stove, fridge right here, table right there. Doesn't get much easier, especially with this big window letting the light in. We've got roof air conditioning, speakers throughout, so you can hear the stereo is on now. Glass paneled cabinets, sport lockers. I call them that because if you do ride ATVs, or if you have equipment to bring with, here's the room to put it. We also have storage below. We've got an electric fireplace. You can heat this thing with just this if you don't want to burn propane. Furrion receiver for the speakers throughout. Has heated tanks if you're in transit in the wintertime. It takes quite a bit of power to heat those tanks, but it'll run off your alternator of your car. So you can keep your fresh water from freezing, throw some rock salt in your gray tank, you're good to go. Mid bathroom, midship, we've got the Neo style shower, sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, skylight, foot flush toilet, linen storage, and lastly we come into our bedroom, a queen bed. It has it all, it really does. You got the queen walk around bed. We have wardrobes on both sides, USB ports and plug-ins, and storage overhead. Also coat rack and spot for another television if you so choose. So whatever your sport is, this Wildwood 260 RT can take you there. And it's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-438. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.